Hi, I am Michelle, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple, delicious meal for those of you who doesn't know how to cook, are busy, or are just lazy. And on today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make broccoli fritter bites. This recipe is gonna be amazing. You will love it because it's so simple and it's so delicious. And before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you get simple, easy recipes every week. For the first part of the recipe, we're gonna use broccoli, Parmigiano Reggiano, 1 egg, mozzarella cheese, milk, onion powder, salt. And for the garlic aioli, we're gonna use extra virgin olive oil, Parmigiano Reggiano, garlic, mayo, and lemon. Now, I'm gonna start with my broccoli and I'm gonna chop it. I start by cutting the broccoli and I remove the stem and separate them into small florets. Next, I'm adding the broccoli into boiling water for a few minutes until they're tender. They look ready and I'm just gonna go ahead and drain them. Broccolis are all ready and I'm gonna go ahead and chop them up. Next, I'm gonna add my broccoli into the bowl because we're gonna mix it with all of the rest of the ingredients. Now I'm finally chopping the garlic, and the garlic adds so much flavor to this recipe. Now add the garlic to the broccoli, add the egg, garlic powder, salt, milk, add the Parmigiano Reggiano. I added a little bit of more salt and the flour. Now it's time to mix everything, and I want to make sure all those ingredients are evenly combined. Our mixture is all ready and I'm gonna let it rest for a bit. Meanwhile, I'm gonna start doing the garlic aioli sauce. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna grate my Parmigiano Reggiano. While we're waiting for this recipe to rest, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you get easy go-to recipes like this every single week. Now I'm gonna show you how to make the garlic aioli, and this is gonna give is the perfect pair for the fritters. You will love it. First thing, your mayo. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my mayo right here on the bowl. Olive oil. Garlic powder, some salt, and I'm gonna mix it first. And you can add a touch of lemon. This is optional. Because you know me, I love lemon, so just a little touch of lemon. This is perfect. This is perfect. Quick tip for you. Before we put the fritters on the pan, make sure the oil is really hot because we want the fritters to cook from the outside and look nice and golden. And just curious, from which country are you tuning in? I would love to know. Leave on the comments below. I'm going to start by spooning the mixture into the pan. I like to keep things simple, so I just use a regular soup spoon to measure each portion. Then I'll gently flatten each one to give that classic fritter shape. As you can see, I'm not putting too much oil into the pan because I don't like to put so much. Just enough so that the fritters cook and get golden from the outside. As they cook, keep an eye on the edges, and that's the best clue they're ready to flip. And once you start seeing the borders turn nice and golden, you know they're cooking perfectly and developing that delicious crispy texture. The key here is to be patient and let them cook slowly. I love this recipe because it's so versatile. You can have it as the perfect side dish, or you can have it as a quick, light meal. A lot of people think that broccoli it's a vegetable that's boring, or that you only eat it because it's healthy, but I don't think it's true. I think broccoli is an awesome vegetable that is so cool, is so versatile, and if you know how to cook it right, you can come up with something so beautiful and delicious like this. Now you tell me, which team are you? Team broccoli or team not broccoli? Let me know in the comments below. As they sit in the pan, they'll continue to develop that golden crust and start getting nice and crispy. Look at how many fritters I got. These are 10 fritters and I used 1 broccoli. That's why I love this recipe, because it's so convenient, it's so easy to make, it's fast, it's delicious, and it's so affordable. So please, you have to make this and let me know how do you like it. And it's time to try. I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna take my garlic aioli and I'm gonna put a little bit on here. I need to finish this, sorry. These fritters, oh my god. If you like this recipe and you want to have access to more recipes like this, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment, it always helps. And please send this recipe to your friend that doesn't like broccoli. See you on the next episode.